Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to blur a part of a video in CapCut. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So blurring a part of a video is actually pretty easy. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to add our asset. So in this case, I'll be adding this video here. Now from here, let's go ahead and add this into our timeline. In this case, we need 2 layers for this in order for it to actually work. So in this case, go ahead and add it again into your timeline. And from here, what we need to do is we need to start adding our effects. So at the top section here, go ahead and click on effects. And from here, you need to look for blur. Now from here, go ahead and press and hold on it and drag it into the first layer that you see here. And once you've added it, as you can see, it's now blurry. Now in this case, you could adjust your blurriness here by adjusting the blur at the property section. So for example, we want to blur this as much as we can. Now from here, what we need to do next is we now need to add our mask. In this case, go ahead and select the first clip that you see here, which is the top layer here. Now from here, you need to go to the settings option here. And what you need to do is you need to switch to mask. Now from here, choose the appropriate mask here. So if you're blurring someone's face, you could go ahead and choose circle. But if you're blurring a specific shape, you could go ahead and choose that. For example, I'm going to use circle. Now from here, we want to go to the very first part here and make sure that we actually position it properly. In this case, I want to position it in here. Now from here, you'll go to the position section, click on the add keyframe option. And from here, just move your timeline here and see where the face would be going. In this case, once you see it in here, so in this case, I want to place it in here because this section here is not blurring anything. So let's go ahead and go back in here or move it around. So you can see keyframes will be automatically added. Now from here, let's move it again and see how it actually moves. And from here, as you can see, you should be able to reposition it again. Now from here, do this for the whole video. So for example, since we saw a little bit, let's go ahead and move this around in here. And from here, let's go ahead and go to this section again, move it around. And from here, you could go ahead and just do this for the whole video. Once you've done that, we could go ahead and just start playing. As you can see, the mask is moving around. Now it's going to follow the face that you've added. So in this case, keyframes will be your best friend here when you're blurring something. Now in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.